make that sell, and they get more and more established. And sort of the Elon Musk bet is that this is like the iPhone of cars, that anyone who's going to buy an EV ultimately is going to buy a Tesla. And that is, in some ways a crazy proposition, but so far we haven't really seen anything to prove it wrong. So we kind of have to keep taking it seriously, at least as some kind of possibility.
Ed, 30 seconds here. What's your feeling about growth going forward?
That they've got the cash to do it. I mean, that was the biggest surprise in the
Free
quarter.
cash flow,
the cash
right?
has gone up, right? It's always been about growth. Elon's put the narrative around that since the last 2 quarters, but they've got to spend to do it. They've got all of these different product lines that they want to do, Cybertruck, semi-truck. The most interesting thing for me is that in the release, they said that all 3 of those new factories are going to be online producing vehicles and delivering next year. That's massive. And it grows the addressable market for Tesla, but also brings some resolution to the thing that Elon's been talking about for months and years.
Well, yeah, exactly. We'll continue this conversation. We're going to do a little bit of news and come back, because I do wonder, what maybe the next year, or what are the things that we, as listeners and investors, kind of need to be watching out for. We're going to come back to Bloomberg News reporter Ed Ludlow, covers autos here at Bloomberg. Joining us from our Bloomberg 960 studio in San Francisco, Max Chafkin's going to come back as well, Bloomberg Business Week features editor. In the meantime, we are seeing Tesla shares trade higher in the after hours, and we know that's after having quite a run, Paul. Let me just pull up the stock here. It is up about 1.5, just a little bit higher, right?
Yeah, but that's good numbers. It's been a great stop.
All right, we're coming back.
This is a Bloomberg Money Minute. It was an up and down session on Wall Street as traders awaited news on